How to change your Instagram password on your Android device. If you would like to learn how to change your password on Instagram, then please watch while I show you in a few short steps. First, open up the Instagram app. Next, click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, click the three lines in the top right corner and click on Settings. Next, click on Security, then click on Password. First, you need to type in your current password. Next, you will need to type in your new password twice. And lastly, click on the arrow in the top right hand corner of the screen. And that's all it takes to change your Instagram password on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.